Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from various companies like Microsoft, S&P, Uber and many more. The role is software engineer, so without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. Before we discuss the hiring, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from S&P. S&P is hiring for software engineer. This is a graduate program, so let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a S&P employee. This role is focused on the development and delivery of solutions. Also with that core software product, in line with that you will also handle technical designs, implementation, as well as also improving core product. Let's talk about the requirements for this role. Fresher with bachelor degree in computer science engineering and other technical field. Passing out year is 2025. With that you have excellent communication skills and time management skills. With that willing to work in 24/5 rotational shift. Additional critical requirement is knowledge of data structure algorithm. With that strong problem solving skills, some knowledge of database concept and have collaborative skills and good understanding of object oriented programming, designing patterns. You also participate in code review and many more. You can read this all requirements. This is for Hyderabad location. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for software engineer. This full-time opportunity and this is for Greater Kolkata location. Here is about the overview of Microsoft. You can read this. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a Microsoft employee. You have to collaborate with stakeholders for technical lead. You are also handling testing designs. You are also involved in coding, like learn to create and implement code for a product and many more. You can read this. You also work on implementation, also participate in code review, handle some troubleshoot and debug and many more. Here is it. You can read this all. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. You have bachelor degree in computer science or related technical field with proven experience in coding language but not limited to C, C++, C has Java, JavaScript or Python and have good understanding of computer science fundamentals. So this is for freshers. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from TestUnit. TestUnit is hiring for junior full stack developer. 0 to 1 year of experience required for this role. The location will Bangalore. Let's talk about the key responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to develop and maintain web applications using React, Next, Angular. Also with that work with MongoDB for database management and additionally you assist with backend services and RESTful APIs. Also with that you are also integrate third-party tools and work on front-end UI development. Also handle debugs, troubleshoot and you get the chance to work on authentication or authorization also. Let's talk about the required skills and qualification for this role. You have bachelor degree in computer science, engineering or related field. With that strong understanding of JavaScript and TypeScripting and some knowledge of React.js, Next.js, Angular and Node.js. Next critical requirement is basic experience with backend development using Express.js and Next.js. With that familiar with MongoDB and NoSQL database and excellent understanding of HTML, CSS, UI framework. With that passion of learning and problem solving. Good to have these skills also, like exposure to AWS services, version control like Git, GitHub, have some experience in academic projects in full stack development and familiarity with open AI APIs. Here is what they offer. You can read this. So if you are interested for this role or your skill sets are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Uber. Uber is hiring for application engineer. The location will Hyderabad. Here are the responsibility of the candidate and here are the requirement for this role. You can read this also. This is also for freshers. So if you are interested for this role in Uber, just go and apply. You get the link in description box. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.